Hello, it's Naresh from Helix Orthodontics, and today I was going to show you how to place your aligners into your mouth and how to use Chewies effectively. Within your mouth, place the aligners over your teeth and push them down as firmly as you can with your fingers to begin with. Next, use the Chewie. Grab it with your fingers and your thumb, start at one end and bite together firmly. Open your mouth, move it along, bite together firmly, and in that way, methodically and slowly, this is how you place your aligners with the aid of Chewies. So you get the best seating of the aligners. And here's a real life example. As you can see, the aligners are fitted in the lower and then the upper arches with the fingers and thumbs. Then with the aid of a Chewie, we bite methodically from one side, biting, opening, until we reach the other side. There we go, aligners fitted. On certain occasions, you will find areas where the aligner does not want to fit over the tooth or the attachment. In those situations, I recommend you bite firmly onto the Chewie while holding the Chewie with your finger and thumb. And while you're biting firmly, pull the Chewie forwards and downwards, and then pull the Chewie forwards and upwards. And in certain situations, that will help the aligners fit better over the attachment and the tooth. I hope that's helpful to you. Thank you.